What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Kind of a slow tech news day, but we do have an interesting bit of information as well as some good questions. And also, if you didn't see my video I released earlier today, I did get my Vivo X Fold. It's in my other room, so I can't just like show you right here, but it is a foldable phone akin to a Galaxy Z Fold, but it's got some things that I like better about it, and I'll do a video about that. But ultimately, I did release a video today on how to install the Google Play Store, so if you're interested in that device and just what it looks like, at least in a primary state, check it out right now. It is linked down below. Without further ado, let's jump into the tech news. We have one story today, and it is about a product that will be coming out in the future from Samsung, but when? Is it going to come out soon? Later? And what is the product? So here it is. This is the tweet from Ice Universe saying Samsung Flex Note looks great. I hope it will be released soon. And ultimately it is basically, if you think about it, it's kind of like a Galaxy Z Fold in a way, but like laptop. So you could use it with a display on top and then a virtual keyboard on the bottom, or maybe you just want it to be one giant big display, but it folds in half ultimately. So the Flex Note, and obviously you'll be able to write on it with an S Pen of some sort. But when is this gonna come out? This is an interesting product, you know. Theoretically, you could imagine it coming out this year or very, very soon. It looks like Ross Young replied to him saying, you will have to wait a while. He doesn't go too much into specifics, but what he does say is, another person, Manuel, asked him a question saying, Ross, is there any new device planned for a commercial release in a phone or tablet in 2022 equipped with a panel, slide, rollable, multi-fold, shown at SID 2022 from Samsung? And he said 2023. So ultimately it doesn't mean that specific product is going to come out in 2023, but that kind of makes a little bit more sense, like a rollable, slidable type device coming out 2023. And then that device, again, I can imagine it now, but I don't know, I can kind of also imagine it coming out maybe in the future too, just because of like, what is that gonna do so much better that a regular laptop doesn't already do? I mean, it looks cooler, but is it gonna fix a problem? That's what it really comes down to. So we'll keep our eyes on that, and it looks like not 2022 probably, but maybe 2023 or 2024, or maybe even beyond that. Your question of the day is, what is a cool device that potentially you've seen that is gonna come out in the future that you're really, really excited about? Let me know in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's jump into the Q&A portion of the video and drop that beat! First question comes from subscriptions. It says, it sounded louder than the Z Fold 3 when folding. Is that the case? He's talking about the new phone. I haven't really noticed anything. I will do a video on things like I like better and don't like better on the two phones, but closing it, like the loudness of it, I personally haven't noticed a difference. Next question comes from MXL saying, if I were to get the Fold 3 now and try to upgrade when the Fold 4 comes out, do you think it would offer a good trade-in, or should I just wait for the Fold 4, which is like in 3 or so months? I would say if you can get a deal on the Fold 3 to where you can get it for probably between final cost, between $800 and $1,100, I'd say go for it. The trade-in value for the Fold 3 when you get the Fold 4 would probably be in that range. You'll probably get between $800 and $900 for trade-in. So at that point, I'd say, yeah, if you can get it for that price. Otherwise, I'd say wait out for the Fold 4. It's only a few months out. Dave asked, why is the biometric security update separate from security updates in the S22? It seems like they should be in one location, not two. I'm not sure why they separate it. But I also haven't noticed that like, hey, I have an update and I have to go in here to do it. I've noticed like you can do an update separately within the settings for biometric security, but I haven't noticed that I have to go in there all the time to update it separately. So other than that, I mean, it seems kind of seamless to me. And our last question from Original As Plays says, are you using the Sony ECM LV1 mic, and would you recommend it to someone who makes unboxing and phone reviews and phone leaks? Definitely. I love this microphone. I use it every single day. I think it sounds amazing. It's really cheap. I think it's like 20 bucks or something like that, and it works great. So definitely get this microphone. It's awesome. Thanks so much, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below with the word question, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.